Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to use the power of negative energy. How to use emotional condensed energy of pain, anger, desire, frustration, depression, any negative emotion that you're experiencing. I'm going to teach you today how to harness it to your benefit. So it's how to use the power of negative energy. First, this came into my mind recently, hence Darth Vader. One of my mentors, Kevin Trudeau, I was asking and I was listening to him, and he had mentioned something about condensed emotional energy, being part of energy that can be used and harnessed properly. Now, Darth Vader, on the other hand, he got carried away and tried to get control of it, and he went downhill. But you can still study that concept and use it to your benefit, which I am doing now. I've been experimenting with it. Recently, I had a situation or an incident where I had some anger flare up. Immediately, I started studying this information that Kevin had mentioned, condensed energy from the movie Star Wars. Now, I've never really watched Star Wars until he had mentioned this condensed energy topic. So I went to watch the third episode, I think it was. I was asking, yep, episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. If any of you have watched it, please leave me your views down below in the comments. I would love to know more about it, because I'm studying this condensed energy, which people call dark energy, but it's just condensed emotional energy, and how to use it to our advantage for manifestation. Yep, you can use this energy for manifestation. Don't just be wasting your anger. Somebody makes you anger, don't waste it. You're feeling depressed, don't waste it. Use it to your advantage, and this is how. Because I've been learning it and understanding it. It's all energy, and it's how you package it and create it. I learned this just recently, so I'm really excited to share that with you. During moments when you're feeling high emotional, should I say just high emotion, you have to like really look at it from a third person. Project yourself out from it. You can do that in a various number of ways, but I will suggest just saying I 3 times. I. And then project yourself out and look at the emotion. Feel it. It's there. It's energy. It's actually condensed emotional energy, which you have now compacted. Before this knowledge, you'd be angry, upset, looking for what to do, take revenge, cuss somebody out, be angry. But now you're able to look at that energy, or sort of like sense it. Now, this is the funny part. This is the tricky part. Once you sense it, what are you to do with it? You're angry. Emotions are rising. You're feeling, your head's hot. Maybe some of you are getting a headache, whatever. You're feeling it. This is what I learned from the 10 steps to manifesting through Kevin Trudeau's video. It's on YouTube. There's an interview. I'll leave the link below. That man is incredible. Thanks, Kevin. He says the first step is you must have pain. You must have an emotion, like pain, like whatever. I need more money. I don't like my car. I want a partner. I want to give more. I want to create more. You need to have some pain. Stub your foot in the door. Put something. You need to create some pain. Play your favorite sad song on repeat. Think of something that brings up an emotion that you can feel it. See me? And you can feel that emotion. You need to bring up some emotion. Hold on to it. And this is the tricky part that Kevin says. You're going to be looking at it and be like, gosh darn it, I'm going to do this. Simply write out what you want. If you've already written out what you want before, take that paper out and look at it with all that pain and emotion, because it's just an emotion. It's like excitement. It's just an emotion. Take it, but this is the real part. You have to focus that energy, that feeling, that momentum, that hype you've built in with yourself, with that negative emotion, that pain, that desire, that anger, whatever emotion it is, you can now harness it to creation, to manifestation, through using a pen and paper. At that time, it's like another video I had made about the energy of excitement. The same concept here. You're using the energy of anger, which is condensed energy, which a lot of people call negative energy. They call it condensed energy, dark energy. There is no dark energy. It's like a cloud. A cloud is dark. Doesn't mean it's a bad cloud. It's just a cloud. A white cloud, a dark cloud. They're just clouds. So energy is just energy. Remember, energy is just energy. Anytime you lose track of this, just say I. 3 times. It brings you back into focus, so you separate yourself. So when you do that, you write down just a few things what you want. Start thinking about what you want, because you are vibrating at a very high maximum intensity level. You're angry. There's a feeling inside of you. It's building up, but you're able to control it. This is how Anakin Skywalker, aka Darth Vader, was able to harness it. He just got carried away with it. But you can harness it and put it towards your desire. Think about your desire. Write it down and forget about it. Just write a few things down as much as you can during that emotional roller coaster. Write it down and then forget about it. That's the funny part. Just forget about it. Let it go. You've already put things out there. You've already taken that anger and you are able to focus. Remember, you're able to focus that emotional feeling. You're able to focus it and write something down. Whatever you write down, I don't care whether you believe it or you don't believe it. But that process of writing something down when you're focused to it will be incredible. When you have balanced yourself later on, a day or two later, go back and look at what you wrote. That's how you manipulate energy. That's how you control energy. That's how you influence energy. You can all do this. I'm just sharing with you my research on looking into it deeper ever since I heard him say that. And another one of my mentors said, you're a light being, so sometimes you can play in the light, sometimes you can play in the dark. I'm like, whoa, you can play in the light, you can play in the dark. Yes, of course, when you understand the principles. This is a private personal PDF file that I used to study this concept of condensed energy. I'd like to share it with you. I'll leave a link down below where you can get a PDF copy of this specific usage and understanding of condensed emotional energy. I'll leave a link in the description and maybe pin it in the comment section so that you guys can get a copy and read it, so that anytime you're experiencing any kind of emotion that's making you feel out of whack, read it, apply it, and create something. Never waste an angry moment ever again. All right. Thank you guys. I'll let you go. Have a great day, everybody. I love you. Until the next video.